Very good morning to all our listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. A quick recap then of some of the major themes which we've seen so far this morning. First of all, much of a continuation of what we saw late yesterday on Wall Street as Europe interpreted various press articles coming out of the national press here in the UK and mainland Europe in regard to the actual framework and the total amount of the size and capacity of the ESM and the EFSF, and headlines such as the amounts being able to bail out that of Spain and Italy have garnered some attention. In terms of equity markets, have been slightly mixed to minor positive, but financials as a whole have been holding up in the European equity breakdown. In terms of elsewhere, much of the focus for the UK market turned in toward the June Bank of England minutes. We had quite a surprise dovish count in terms of the asset purchase facility. It showed a count of 5-4 to keep it unchanged at 325, but the general market consensus was for only 2 people to call for further QE, but it was in fact 4, and it did include the Governor Mervyn King. We initially saw then an aggressive spike higher in the gilts and lower in terms of cable in the currency market. However, that was quickly paired. One of the other interesting comments here to be noted was the fact that they did also say within the comments that QE or other methods aside from QE may be better at aiding bank funding. As such, then that move has pulled back, in particular observed in the short end of the curve in the sterling strip. Elsewhere, much of the market awaiting now confirmation of the coalition government to be sworn in either later today or tomorrow, as according to the Democratic left leader Corvallis, who's just been on the wires in the last few minutes. So we're looking out for various comments from them as we head through the rest of the session. A quick look and an update with Spain. Press reports overnight have denied that report yesterday, which suggested a delayment in the bank audits till after summer in September. That is now to go ahead as was previously scheduled on July 21st. That's according to the Economic Ministry overnight. In terms of Spain itself, we've seen some fluctuation in the yield, but the 7% level is still being one of the key things to keep an eye on here, and we are trading below that level in the 10-year yield at the moment in Spain. That concludes the opening wrap from me. Pretty light calendar overall for the rest of the session. Norwegian rate decision, that's due. Rates there expected to be maintained at 1.5%, and we'll also get the DOE oil inventory numbers as well later today. That's it for the moment though, so I wish you all a great trading day.